Brittany! I think everybody's here. We have Pearl and Daisy. And Darby and Ellie and Lucky and Legend. And Scotty and Brittany and Gypsy. Really? Alright. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There should be a 10th. Oh. Where's Chase? Chase! Oh, there you are. 10! Hi, handsome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. That's the count for the day, is 10. It's very important to know the number. Otherwise, doggies have a tendency to get left out. Or left in when we're trying to get all the dogs out to play. Quit looking for shinies. You're ridiculous.